Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sejal, and I wouldn't be surprised if there is anybody who haven't heard of dementia, stroke, epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, traumatic brain injury. Collectively, these diseases contribute to the highest disability according to the World Health Organization. In Canada alone, there are 3.6 million patients, and these numbers are going to get doubled in only 20 years. And the economic costs that we are talking about are in $1 billion. Still, we do not have highly targeted therapies. So in order to understand them, we need to look inside the brain. Our brain functions by these cables, which are called the neurons. They are essentially sending messages back and forth to each other. Now think of them as marathon runners. They are constantly running. You need helpers to give them water or energy drinks. Our brain has plenty of helpers called astrocytes, and they are reaching to the neurons with their tiny hands and giving them support. Now, one thing that happens in majority of the diseases is that the astrocytes, they lose their shape, and hence their ability to provide support to neurons. This leads to neuronal death. One strategy would be, what if you fix their shape so that the neurons will get more support, they would live longer, and you can alleviate the pain associated with the disease. Now, in my PhD thesis, I'm looking for molecules that control the shape of astrocytes using fruit fly brain. And you might want to scratch your head why. So fruit flies are our cousins. Their astrocytes look like ours. They do same function, and they use same molecules. Most importantly, fruit flies are very cheap to maintain, very easy to grow. So for me, they are like super army. I can grow them in millions of numbers and then use them for large-scale identification of molecules. So in my PhD, I get rid of one molecule at a time from fly astrocytes and look for any changes in their shape. In this way, so far, I have identified 30 molecules that alter the shape of astrocytes. And in future, my research will tell whether putting them back into the astrocytes or using a drug to restore them can actually fix some of the symptoms of neurological disease. In closing, I want to give a take-home message. Fruit flies are very important for translational research in flies, and my PhD thesis will give us more important molecules for the neurological diseases. Thank you.